In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Bitbucket. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll confidently sign in using your Google account through Atlassian's secure login and know what to expect along the way. Start by opening your web browser and heading to bitbucket.org/product. This is the official Bitbucket product page from Atlassian, so it's a good starting point. Take a quick moment to make sure you're on the legitimate site and that your connection is secure. On this page, look toward the upper right corner for the Sign In button. Click it to move into the Atlassian account login flow, which Bitbucket uses for authentication. On the Atlassian sign-in screen, choose the Google option. This tells Atlassian you want to authenticate with your Google credentials rather than typing an email and password directly. Selecting Google will open a Google sign-in window or take you to the account chooser. This is normal and secure, and it keeps your credentials with Google instead of entering them on multiple sites. When the Google account chooser appears, select the Google account that's associated with your Bitbucket access. If you use Bitbucket for work, pick your work Google account so your permissions match your team's workspace. After you select the account, Google may briefly show you a permission screen or require additional verification. If your organization has single sign-on or two-factor authentication, complete those prompts as instructed. These security checks are part of protecting your repositories and collaboration data. Once the Google sign-in succeeds, you'll be redirected back through Atlassian and then into Bitbucket. You should see your Bitbucket dashboard or workspaces, and your profile avatar should appear in the top navigation, indicating you are signed in. If you land on a marketing page instead of the dashboard, use the navigation to jump to workspaces or projects. You're still signed in as long as your avatar is visible. A few quick tips if something doesn't look right. If you realize you're signed in with the wrong Google account, sign out of Atlassian, return to the sign-in page, and pick the correct Google account. If the Google window doesn't open, check for a pop-up blocker and allow it for this site. And if access is denied after signing in, contact your admin to ensure the selected Google account has been granted Bitbucket permissions. That's it. Go to the Bitbucket product page, click Sign In, choose Google, and select your Google account. Follow any security prompts, and you're in.